In example 2, we will use the x and y intercepts to graph a line. So we will start by calculating the x-intercept. I will do that by plugging in 0 for y. 2 times 0 is 0. My x-intercept is 4, 0. Remember, you need to write your intercepts as an ordered pair. To find the y-intercept, I'll plug in 0 for x, solve my equation. The y-intercept is 2, when my x value is 0. I will plot those points. Here's my y-intercept. Here's my x-intercept. And then I can draw a line, connect my dots. And I will remember to put arrows on my line.